Experts have said the BRICS cooperation has the potential to create a more balanced and inclusive world, providing a platform for equitable development for developing countries.
I see the BRICS emerging as a potent international platform which is going to be shaping the nature of international politics in the next coming decades. It is giving a platform to the developing countries to find new mechanisms in the international system. What will happen is states will have a say in international relations. They will try to find out new mechanisms, new parallel streams. So all of this I see as a very positive development in international relations, and I see the BRICS going a long way in becoming a platform where countries can find meaningful solutions to the problems that plague them in today's time and age. So I think moving towards equality, moving towards an inclusive world is something that is very much achievable through BRICS.
BRICS leaders have agreed to invite 6 countries, namely Argentina, Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and the United Arab Emirates, to join the group. Their membership will take effect on January 1st, 2024.
I feel that the BRICS is an ideal platform to provide voice, to be a more democratic platform basically for the countries from Global South, from the Asian countries, from Africa. Basically they can they can make their voices heard, they can give their input into the global policy making framework. As a result of it, what we also see, they will have greater access to the financial world. The BRICS and other institutions like New Development Bank will provide much less stringent financing arrangements so that they can focus basically more on the development and the human development of their countries.